Well, call me crazy, but don't call me late for dinner. I was hungry. I must be feeling a lot better now. Can you guys tell with my voice? Look at this out here. I mean, seriously, look at this. Crazy, huh? Freaking crazy. I mean, like, seriously, look at that. See that flag? That American flag? Yeah, just a blowing, ain't it? Freaking crazy. Only in Wisconsin. Okay. That nice tan I got. It's a winter tan. I think because it's part Indian. I got such a great tan. I hate being a honky. Yeah! I don't think I'm a honky because I'm Hungarian. Are Hungarians honkies? I'm American mutt, that's what I am. I'm feeling a lot better. Let's go see what I got to eat. God damn it. I'm fucking hungry. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Okay. Okay, this is it. This is it. Alright, this is it. Yeah. George Foreman, Senior. Oh, I gotta go shopping. So that's what sucks me out is that, that nice clear picture. Jesus. Wow. Hear that? There ain't nothing in there. Okay. No, this is it. Let's make it last. Get it all in there. Get it all in there. Here. Come on. Okay. Turn it around. I like it getting hot. You know, cheapest thing a person can buy is eggs, toast, Now, so cheese, get some eggs, get some toast, some cheese. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna get greedy tonight, and I'm gonna make me two. One, two. Let's see, like that. Two egg sandwiches. Yes. I love when I force slice your toaster. See that? Look at this, watch. Oh, this might pop off, watch. Here it goes, watch. It's gonna pop off. I gotta get a different kind of power stripping. Something that holds a little more power. I can't believe it didn't pop yet. Popper. It's called the popper. The popper. Call it the popper. Okay. See, if I'm going to do my eggs, it's cold over here. Yeah, it's cold, baby. It's cold over here. Oh. See, it popped. It popped. Okay. Turn this off. Turn this back on. Okay, let's do the toast separate. I gotta. Well, maybe I should plug this in over here, because I think it's a separate line. I think. Yeah, I think. Let me see. I think it's a separate line. Let me see. Bring this baby over here. There we go. Yeah, let's bring it over here. Okay. There you go. Yeah, I'm turning around. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Yeah. Let's watch the electrical show. You got the money, honey. I've got the time. Yeah. 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 I'm feeling better. Yeah. Get some garlic. Get some garlic. Shalom. Shalom. Number say, number say, number Sam, number Sam, number say, number Sam, number Sam. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Mama say, Mama Sam, Mama Sam. Mama say, Mama Sam, Mama Sam. Mama say, Mama Sam, Mama Sam. Yeah, you. Woohoo. Mama say, Mama Sam, Mama Sam. Ah. Mama say, Mama Sam, Mama Sam. Oh. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Oh. Damn, Carl. Damn, Carl. I feel good. Like I knew I should. Oh, hope it's done. Yeah. Okay. Hope it's done. Okay. Oh yeah, burnt it. Burnt it. Yeah, good job. Burnt it. I like burnt toast. I like my toast burnt. It makes it crunchy. I like my burnt toast. Yeah, I should make that a video, right? It's not so hard. I like my burnt toast. I like it nice and black. Cause it's so crunchy. I like to get a bite of it every now and then. It's not so hard. I eat it so quickly, even though it tears up my gums and make my tongue so bloody. I like my burnt toast. It's so damn crunchy. I love my burnt toast. I like my burnt toast. Okay, let's see. Right, ooh. Right, that's nice and hot. See, that's what I do. I like it nice and hot. So you take your eggs. Ooh, these are good eggs. I got these from Quick Trip. 2 for $6. $3 a piece. Watch this. See? You do it like that. Do it like that. Then crack her open. Oh, Jesus. Fucking it. I'll never buy these fucking eggs ever fucking again. Jesus fucking Christ. God damn it, man. Fucking bullshit. Look at this shit. One thing I can't stand is egg shells in my fucking eggs. And that was the last of that spray. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. Fuck. God damn it. Fuck. Now it's gonna get cold. God damn it, man. Oh, fuck, I'll put some butter in there now. Yeah, I'm pissed off now. Pissed off. Hillbilly Jim. Yeah. God damn it, man. 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 Okay, close her up. I think that's done. Yeah, gotta get some more butter, even though I'm not supposed to be eating that. Butter clogs up your arteries. Okay, let's try this shit again, huh? God damn it. God damn it. Watch the restaurants, they do this. See this? This is how they do it. This is how they do it. Sure, it's lubricated and cleaned. See? Lubricated and cleaned. Ah, damn it. Oh, nice and clean. See, everything happens for a reason. Okay, do I got any vegetable oil in here? Oh, shit. Do that away too. Fuck. Oh, vegetable oil. Jesus fucking Christ. Should I put some dish soap on there? Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Shit. There's no lubrication. No lubrication. But I got this. Okay. I got this. I got this. Okay. Chinese ancient secret. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, hey, hey. Having fun. Wham! Okay. Let's just kind of grip this around. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yeah. Well, I heard there's oil and mayonnaise. So let's do like this. Okay. There's oil and mayonnaise. Okay, there we go. There we go. See it steaming? Yeah. 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 There we go. Well. Yeah. That's kind of like buttering your toast, huh? Yeah. It's like buttering your toast. Okay. So, maybe a little more, huh? Yeah, like that. Oh, I can smell it. That really smells good. Let's mix it together. Let's put a little more in there. Come on. Oh, this really smells. I wish you guys could smell this right now. That Asian mustard. Asian mustard. Mayonnaise. There we go. There we go. Okay, let's close her up. Why that's doing that? Because I want it hot. Ruined it because of the egg shell. Oh yeah, there we go. That's one toast. There's another toast. see if I can do this without getting eaten. Damn it, did it again! Son of a bitch! Fucking A! God damn it! Son of a bitch! Fucking eggshells. I'm never buying that fucking Quick Trip fucking eggs again. God damn it, man. Look at that bullshit. Fucking eggshells. God damn it, man. Fucking bullshit. God damn it, man. I'm fucking drooling, too. I'm fucking hungry. Don't fuck with me when I'm hungry. Never buy these fucking eggs ever again. God damn it, man. Y'all ever get eggshells in your fucking eggs? That's fucking gross. That's fucking... There's another one. Son of a fucking bitch. Another one. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. Fucking eggs. Eggshells in my goddamn fucking eggs. God damn it, man. That shit really pisses me off. God damn it, man. Shit. Yeah, that reminds me of a story of the ex-girlfriend. Hey, yeah, ex-girlfriend, check this out, okay. It's a Saturday morning, you know, I'm sitting there watching television, you know, and all of a sudden, you know, the girlfriend, you know, the ex-girlfriend or whatever, she's sitting there making herself breakfast. She can't make me breakfast, you know, but she's going to make herself breakfast, you know, and she said, if I want breakfast, make my own, you know. So she's making eggs and bacon and toast and that, and all of a sudden she just comes in and she hands me a plate. Say, here, Merry Christmas. Enjoy your eggs. You know? Like, aw, you do love me. Thanks, Audra. Yeah. And as soon as I go and bite it into the eggs, y'all, crunch, crunch, eggshells. And I spit the shit out, walked up, threw the shit in the garbage. I could never fucking pull that shit again. You know, I don't like eggshells in my fucking eggs. If that would ever happen to me in a restaurant, I would fucking snap and say, you ain't getting shit from me. No? You expect me to pay for this? Fuck you. I ain't paying for this fucking shit. Fucking eggs. Eggshells. God damn it, man. That really pissed me off. There it is. In the fucking garbage. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. Son of a fucking bitch. You know, here, I'm sitting there starving and sitting there starving. I'm sitting there starving. You know? So I'm thinking, okay, I'll make myself some eggs, sandwiches. You know? Look at it. Eggshells all in the motherfucking plate. God damn it, man. Look at this shit. Fucking eggshells in the goddamn fucking plate. And it just stuck to it. God damn it, man. Look at this shit. Fucking eggshells. Yeah. You go to crack the fucking eggs. Okay. You got this, what do they call it? A membrane or whatever? Yeah. They got this membrane or whatever that shit that, okay, when you, yeah, oh God, I'm gonna never buy these eggs again. God damn it, man. I fucked up my whole goddamn night. Well, plus I baked the eggs in the oven, right? And when I go take the eggs to work, you know, to go peel them, yeah, the fucking shells don't come off because the membrane or whatever is stuck to the goddamn eggs. You know, it's stuck to the eggs, so all you're peeling off is the fucking shell. You know that thin layer of skin or coating or whatever? Yeah. See, normal eggs, you boil them or bake them, whatever. You go to peel it and it slides right off. It's all wet. Yeah, the membrane was supposed to stick to the shell. It's supposed to. And like when you crack the egg open, when you peel it open, the membrane is supposed to break with the shell. No, the fucking shells fall off into your fucking pan, or what? I swear to God, if I get one fucking crunchy shell in there, I'm gonna fucking hawk smash this whole goddamn world. I'm gonna get 20 feet tall, 4,000 pounds, and I'm gonna hawk smash this whole fucking world. So if you feel a rumble tumble, yeah, it's 5 minutes it lasted. Yeah, hawk smash. I'm gonna hawk smash this whole goddamn world. I swear to God. Yeah. And the more they shoot me, the bigger I'm gonna get, because they're just gonna piss me off more. The more they fucking shoot me, the bigger I'm gonna get. So, if they think they're gonna destroy me, they're not. They're not gonna destroy me. They're just gonna piss me off and make me bigger. Bigger and bigger. The more they shoot me, the more the armor tanks and all that shit. Yeah, just like the movie. Here we go. Yeah, you've seen that one, right? Yeah. The remake of the Hulk, the Incredible Hulk, where that one guy, that one guy, that one guy. It's actually a pretty cool movie. Okay, you see how I'm doing this? Okay. I'm leaving it open. So, sunny side up. Sunny side up. Okay. Cheese. Cheese, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come on. 1. 2, 3. Let's put the one in the middle. There, like that. Okay. Yes. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay. Let's get the plastic fork. Plastic fork. Okay. We separate the eggs like this. Yeah. Never try to pick them up when they're stuck together. I found out. Bad mistake. Okay. Now, pick the egg up by the yolk. Oh shit. Oh, it's fucked up. God damn it, man. God damn it, man. These are fucking cheap ass motherfucking eggs. God damn it, man. Look at that. They're like fucking slime. Slimy ass fucking eggs. Okay. Come on. Come on. All I want to do is fall on the floor. That's all I want to do is fall on the floor. That's all I want to do is fall on the floor. That's all I want to do is fall on the floor. Oh my fucking God. That's what my sister would say right now. Like, chill out. Okay. See? That's all I want to do. want a fucking ball and a player. So it wants to do. And then what's really gonna piss me off is that there's shells in here. Yeah, I know it. You know what? As soon as I bite into it, crunch. And then I'm gonna snap. I'm gonna fucking snap. I'm gonna fucking snap. Okay. Okay, done. Turn it off. Turn it off. Before I get it don't belong over there. Belongs over here. Okay. Toast. Garlic. Still recording? Oh, almost done recording. Took me a half an hour just to make these egg sandwiches. Okay. Slap on the mayonnaise. That must be feeling better. That ain't gonna work. I know it. One big mess. Yep, the yolk is already spreading out. Yeah, I can't believe my ex-girlfriend did that. You know? Well, she thought I was that dumb that I wouldn't know the difference. There's eggshells in my fucking eggs. You know, if I did that bullshit to her, you know what she would do? She was so goddamn mean to me. She would take the whole fucking plate, walk up to me and dump it right on top of my head. And then fucking walk out the door, slam the door shut, and fucking leave. Fuck you, asshole. That's what she would did. She was that mean to me. She would dump the shit on my... I wouldn't even have the balls to give it to her because she would probably beat me up. You know? Yeah. She was mean. Yeah. She probably would beat my ass. Just beat the fuck out of me. Beat the fuck out of me. Okay. So yeah, it don't have blood orange no more. It has this. Hard strawberry lemonade. Okay, picture time. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah. I should be able to get a picture of that. Yeah. Okay. Bam. Oh. Bam. There you go. There you go. YouTube, okay, subscribe. Time to eat. Say the Lord's Prayer.